students, now I'll be starting with question number 2 of exercise 4.1. Now question number 2 says solve the following equation. So solve means, as you all know, that we will have to find the value of the variable which is x here. Okay, now two ways we can solve this equation. Here after 2 no sign is given and then we have bracket. That means 2 is multiplied by whole thing. If you consider this as a number, then 2 is multiplied by this number, which is equals to 12. Okay, now let's check how to solve this equation. So see, 2 is multiplied by x, 2 is multiplied by the whole thing. Okay, so 2 is multiplied by x, so 2 into x is 2x. Then we have plus sign. Okay, then 2 is multiplied by the another number also, means the number which is present inside of the bracket, all the numbers will be multiplied by the number which is outside of the bracket. Okay, so here since 2 number is present inside of the bracket, so 2 is multiplied by x at first and then will be multiplied by the next number. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, which is equals to 12. Now 2x, this type of equation you have solved already, right? At first we will have to remove 8 from x and then we will have to remove 2. So 2x is equals to 12 minus 8, because if you transpose 8 on the another side, then plus 8 will be minus 8. Now 2x is equals to 12 minus 8 is 4. So 2 is multiplied by x, so the value of x will be 4 will be divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the value of x is 2. Okay, and another way to solve this equation is 2 into x plus 4 is equals to 12. Now if you consider this as a number, okay, 2 is multiplied by this. So if you transpose 2 on the another side, so it will be division. So this number will remain same on the left hand side. So x plus 4 will remain same on the left hand side and will just transpose 2 on the another side. So it will be 12 divided by 2. Like when you find the value of the variable, what you do at first? We just remove all the numbers from the variable, right? So at first we are removing 2 from x and then the one which is in the bracket will remove that. Okay, so since this is outside of the bracket, we are removing that at first and then we will remove the one which is inside of the bracket. Okay, now 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So x plus 4 is equals to 6. Now we'll just transpose 4 on the another side. So x is equals to 6 minus 4 plus 4 will be minus 4. So the value of x is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, now coming to next part. Now in the next part we have 3 multiplied by n minus 5 is equals to 21. So at first we will remove 3 from the variable n, because this 5 is inside of the bracket. Okay, and gradually we will transpose the numbers. We cannot transpose all the numbers at a time. So here since 3 is outside of the bracket, so at first we will remove transpose 3. Okay, so n minus 5 will remain same on the left hand side and 21 will remain same on the right hand side. So since 3 is going to another side, so 3 is given in multiplication form. So after changing the side, it will be division. So 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So n minus 5 is equals to 7. Now you will have to find the value of the variable which is n. So minus 5 will be transposing to another side. So minus 5 will be plus 5. See, 7 will remain same on the right hand side. So taking 5 on the another side, so it will be 7 plus 5. So value of n will be 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, now coming to next part. Now in the C part we have 3 is multiplied by n minus 5 is equals to minus 21. This is same as the previous one. So at first we will have to remove 3. Okay, 3 is given in multiplication form. So after transposing to another side, it will be division. But n minus 5 will remain same on the left hand side and minus 21 also will remain same on the right hand side. So if you divide this, See, 3 is transposing to another side, so minus 21 will be divided by 3. So n minus 5 is equals to 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So we have minus 7. Okay, so n minus 5 is equals to minus 7. Now we will have to make we will have to make n alone here on the left hand side, since we are finding the value of n. So minus 5 will be transposing to another side, so minus 5 will be plus 5. But minus 7 will remain same on the right hand side. Minus 5 will be plus 5 only. Okay, now here see, 1 plus 1 minus, so plus minus minus, so 7 minus 5 is 2. But always remember, if there is 1 plus and 1 negative, then always we put the greater one sign. Since 7 is greater than 5 and the sign of 7 is negative, so we will have to put negative sign here. So the value of n is minus 2. Now in the next part we have minus 4 multiplied by 2 plus x is equals to 8. So here after minus 4 no sign is given and then bracket is given, so we will have to consider as multiply sign. Now since this is given in multiplication form, so when you transpose minus 4 to another side, it will be division. So 2 plus x will remain same on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have 8. So minus 4, 8 will be divided by minus 4. Okay, so 2 plus x is equals to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So we have minus 2. Now what will be the value of x? See, x is equals to minus 2, and this 2 we are taking on the right hand side, so plus 2 will be minus 2. So minus minus plus, 2 plus 2 is 4, and since these two digits are having negative sign, so this will be negative. Okay, so the value of x is minus 4. Now in the last part we have 4 is multiplied by 2 minus x is equals to 8. So 2 minus x will remain same, as this is given in multiplication form. So after coming to another side, it will be division. So 8 will be divided by 4. Okay, so 2 minus x is equals to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 2 by 1 means 2. Now minus x will remain same on the left hand side and 2 will be on the right hand side. These two we are taking on the right hand side, right? This 2 is going to right hand side. So plus 2 will be minus 2. Okay, so minus x is equals to 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, now what will be the value of x? This minus sign, you will see minus here. How to write this? Do you know, like here minus 1 into x, because if you multiply this you will get minus x, right? So minus 1 into x is equals to 0. So what will be the value of x? It will be 0 divided by minus 1. Why? Because why I have divided, this is given in multiplication form. So after changing the side it will be division. Now 0 divided by any number is 0. We know that. So the value of x is 0. Okay. So this was all about question number 2. Thank you, students.